This is the best product. This product name is Beats Studio Buds. Beats Studio Buds are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best Beats Studio Buds from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. About this item note: if the size of the earbud tips does not match the size of your ear canals or the headset is not worn properly in your ears, you may not obtain the correct sound qualities or call performance. Change the earbud tips to ones that fit more snugly in your ear. Custom acoustic platform delivers powerful, balanced sound. Control your sound with two distinct listening modes: active noise cancelling, ANC, and transparency mode. 3 soft ear tip sizes for a stable and comfortable fit, while ensuring an optimal acoustic seal. Up to 8 hours of listening time, up to 24 hours. Combined with pocket-sized charging case, industry-leading Class 1 Bluetooth for extended range and fewer dropouts, high-quality call performance, and voice assistant interaction via built-in microphones, IPX4 rated sweat, and water-resistant wireless earbuds. Beats wireless headphones and earphones are compatible with Apple and Android devices. What's in the box? Beats Studio Buds true wireless noise cancelling earphones, charging case, ear tips with 3 size options, USB-C to USB-C charging cable, quick start guide, warranty card. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find the product links.